Topic: motion under gravity. A motion under gravity is a motion influenced by the gravitational fall of the earth. That is, where g equals 10 meters per second squared. When an object is being lifted up or is being thrown up like a ball, the three equations of motion will be derived as follows. 1. V equals u minus gt. 2. H equals ut minus half gt squared. 3. V squared equals u squared minus 2gh. The negative sign shows that the body is going up in opposite direction with acceleration due to gravity of free fall. Downward. When a stone or a fruit is dropped from a tree, the final velocity is given as v equals u plus gt, or h equals to ut plus half gt squared, or v squared equals u squared plus 2gh. The plus sign shows that the object is coming down in the same direction with the acceleration due to free fall. Question 1. A fruit is thrown vertically upward with a velocity of 8 meters per second. What will be its velocity after 0.5 seconds? Solution: v equals u minus gt. Seeing the fruit is being lifted up, so the negative sign shows a negative acceleration. So v becomes 8 minus 10 times half. When simplified, we have 3 meters per second. Number 2. A pen dropped from a table of height 1.5 meters. How long will it take the pen to reach the ground if g is equal to 10 meters per second squared? Solution: since the pen is falling down, height equals ut plus half gt squared. The positive sign there shows that the pen is falling down, not going up. So 3 over 2 equals 0 plus half times 10 times t squared. When you cross multiply, t becomes root 3 over 10. Motion down an inclined plane. The figure below shows the motion of an object sliding down an inclined plane. In the figure, theta represents the angle of inclination, while g represents the acceleration due to free fall due to gravity. G sin theta represents force along the inclined plane, while g cos theta represents force perpendicular to the plane. That brings us to the end of the topic, equations of motion under gravity.